I've just created this video about how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing. So following on from my previous video on how to get started with affiliate marketing, what we basically need for affiliate marketing is to create funnels along the line. So I'll take you step by step on how to create affiliate funnels. There's two types of affiliate kinds of funnels. There's lead page funnels and there's bridge page funnels. So I'll speak about the bridge page funnels in another video. So what are landing pages? So landing pages are a single page website. So they have a headline which stops the reader in his or her tracks and which captures the attention of the reader. So basically it could be anything like, so I'll give you some examples of, so the Marketing Secrets Black Book, 99 Marketing Secrets that would change your business and change your life. So this is an example of a captivating headline. It's got an emotional element to it as well. So I'll be sharing more examples in other videos and later on in this video. So they have a headline which stops the reader in his or her tracks and which captures the attention of the reader. And then you also have a subheadline, which explains the headline in a bit more depth and which also captures the attention of the reader. It could be anything from Marketing Secrets Black Book, 7 steps on how to increase sales in your affiliate business, anything like that. What you can do is you can view what your competitors are doing with their sites and their landing pages. The best way to do this would be actually go to the Facebook ads section and click on some of the ads and see what landing pages come up. But I'll speak about that more in depth in another video. So what I usually do is I use funnel scripts, and you can get it for free at the link below. So my membership account, let's open this up. So as you can see, this is funnel scripts, and so my whole thing is about affiliate marketers, helping affiliate marketers to make an income online. So these are the titles that are generated. My central topic is about affiliate sales. My main keyword phrase is make more affiliate sales. The result is that to reach financial freedom. Target is struggling affiliate marketers. Target audience is a singular struggling affiliate marketer. So random core guided beast affiliate sales survival guide. Proven struggling affiliate marketers system. Proven struggling affiliate marketers make more affiliate sales system. Things like that. So other titles would be make more affiliate sales one pager, etc., etc. So this sort of churns out a whole load of titles and subtitles that you can plug in. It's really, really, really useful. So Funnel Scripts gives a list of headlines and subheadlines and all the copy that you need to get your landing page and everything that you need to get set up. Before you set up your landing page, you need to be aware of the type of person that you are solving a pain point for. So that would be your person avatar. And Funnel Scripts has a section for that, which I'll go over in the next video. So if you're like me and you want to choose the make money online niche or affiliate marketing, this might be 7 unusual ways to make more affiliate sales in 30 days and the struggling affiliate marketer's guide to affiliate sales. You can also include a free guide. So this is where I got it from. You can actually also see what headlines are being used by your competitors. So if you go online on YouTube, you can, and any other social media platform, and you type affiliate marketing, you can see what sort of funnels that they're using. So the goal of a landing page is to stop people in their tracks on their phone or on the PC. The landing page will hit upon some of the pain points of the person who is currently scrolling through their news feed on Facebook or any other social media platform. You can also include a free gift in return for someone else's email address. So when you receive someone else's email address, you can also give them value in your follow-up emails. So the whole point of a landing page is to actually get someone's email address and then follow up with them later. And I'll be going through this in my other videos about email marketing. So once someone's actually entered their email address over here, you ask for an email address. Once someone's entered their email address, then you can actually send your free guide, which would be this book or any other guide, any others. It could be a video course, etc., etc. Clickbait, or you can call it a lead magnet. So in exchange for someone's email address, you can actually give certain things to that person in order for them to give you their email address. The email address is used to build a relationship, to get to know them more and to get to know you more, basically, so they know, like, and trust you, and then eventually buy from you. So this can include a 5-day video course, an ebook, daily video courses that solve the customer's pain points. It could be a webinar, templates, for example, landing page templates, trials. ClickFunnels is a free 14-day free trial. So lead magnets are anything that can help solve the person landing on your landing page, solve their problem. So it provides enough value so this person gives you their email address in exchange for the lead magnet. So as you can see over here, Marketing Secrets Black Book, 99 marketing secrets that will change your business and your life. So that's the clickbait or the lead magnet, and then exchange. So enter your best email below and I'll send you a free copy of my new book, Marketing Secrets Black Book. And this is the next page that they land on. Say to download these things. So where was I? So there's an amazing funnel hackers cookbook. So this is an amazing tool given by Russell Brunson for free, where you can type the name of the funnel that you're looking for. You can access it over here, so funnelcookbook.com. It's actually amazing. It gives you all the different ways that different pages that you can use in all your different funnels. So you can sign up. It'll ask for your email address and then download the funnel cookbook. So from there, I've taken out the relevant sections. You're looking for a lead funnel recipe. Well, you're looking for a lead funnel. So the squeeze page is a lead funnel. Squeeze page funnel is a lead funnel. So you have the first page, which is a squeeze page, then you have a thank you page. So it says a squeeze page funnel's goal is to create so much curiosity that someone has to give you their email address. The squeeze page hooks them for more information. On the thank you page, you deliver what you promised and then lead them to the next funnel. So you can actually watch this being built live here. So you'd use this if you were network marketing or affiliate marketing. You start with a hook that actually stops someone in their tracks to get some attention, basically grabs their attention. You can get that as a headline and then ask for the email address to find out what the product is. So this is the structure of the squeeze page. You have the squeeze page, which is attention getting headline. And then you get their email address. You can automate it and you get, you can actually send automated emails, and then you can send basically emails to any of the follow-up funnels that you might have going on, or to the thank you page, well, any additional follow-up funnels. So when the user puts their email address, they're guided to the thank you page. So there's a logo here, and then you have an attention getting headline, and they have a subheadline to increase credibility or curiosity. And then you might have a video saying who you are, what they've got in their inbox, why it's useful, and how to access it. You don't have to have a video. You can just, like this very example, you can actually just have the lead magnet, and then the person entering their email address and then going up to the thank you page and then downloading all these particular things that they want, the book and the podcasts. all these guides basically. So for small ticketed products, because in my previous video I mentioned CPA marketing, cost per action marketing, the squeeze page is the one that's used. So the bridge page is used for products where you need to do a bit more selling. So the bridge page is something different. Use that in affiliate marketing, where you create a video on the second page and you can add bonuses so as to increase the perceived value of the product that you want to, your affiliate product. So I'll explain that in another video later. So on the thank you page, you can add a video saying who you are, what the customer will be receiving, the lead magnet, why it's useful and how to access it. You can also then promote other affiliate products and have links to other affiliate products on this page. You don't need the video, you can just structure it like this. So this is an example of one of my squeeze pages. So there's my book, and it goes on to the thank you page. So then it says download now. So there's no video in the thank you page, there's just a button to download the book. This type of funnel is ideal for getting clients into your funnel, which you can follow up through emails. So as an affiliate, the download button would download the ebook and then take the person to the affiliate link. So in another video, I'll be doing a live demonstration on how to create a landing page in real time. So here's an example. You've got curiosity-based headline. You've got a curiosity-based subheadline, which further enhances the headline, and the user, well, the person that lands on this page enters their email address and then is directed through to thank you page. So the download links are ready for you. Thanks for signing up. Thanks for signing up to the email address. And then you can download this black book and you can download this guide as your gifts for entering the email address. So here's another one. So here you've got a manifesto, secret to scaling to 7 figures online. So enter your email address below so you can discover the principle I used to scale to 4 million in under 3 years in this inside this playbook to growing your brand into unstoppable profit powerhouse. And then this is the thank you page. Download the manifesto. You've got what it takes to get your hands on the Insider's Playbook to growing your brand into an unstoppable profit powerhouse warehouse. Click the link below to start your download now. And then step 2, start building your audience, how to get your first £1,000, 1,000 fans on Facebook and Instagram for free in just 7 days. So in my next video, I'll do a live demonstration of how to build a converting landing page. Thank you.